Let's learn vocabulary and their synonyms from IELTS reading only. Yes, it is true. We can learn so many words from the IELTS reading only. Okay. Now, I have selected this academic reading passage 3 from IELTS 12 and test is 6. The topic of this is the benefits of being bilingual. Okay, now let's learn 25 words from this reading passage only. Okay, now the idea is to pick vocabulary words from the questions. Like we have this kind of questions. I have selected the words which I found for them I found their synonyms in the reading passage only. Like I have underlined and circled them. I have explained how they are using the words and their synonyms in the reading passage. Okay, let's start it. My first word is observing. For observing, it is giving observing. It is giving studying. Studying is given. Okay, when asked to select certain objects, instead of using to select, it is given to pick. Let's write it here. To pick is given in the paragraph. Okay, I'll show you the location of these words in the passage. Next word is mechanism. For mechanism, it is given phenomena. Phenonym. It is given phenonym. Known as, instead of writing known as, it is given called or referred. It may be used. Here I am giving you the extra word. For known as, it is given called. Okay, next word is in this type of questions is more able to handle. For more able to handle, let's look at the location of these words. Okay, first word is observing. Now for observing, here let's read the sentence and then it will be clear. Observing, the answer is eye movements of Russian English bilingual people when asked to select certain objects. Okay, let's look at this. Some of the most compelling evidence for this phenomenon called language co-activation comes from studying. Studying means observing eye movements. A Russian English bilingual asked to pick up a marker. Here it is given. Observing the eye movements of Russian English bilingual people when asked to select certain objects. When asked to pick up marker. Here. Okay. Next one is mechanism and known as. Okay. Here it is given. Here is the location. Some of the most compelling evidence for this phenomenon. Okay, phenomenon. Yes, for phenomenon it is given a mechanism. A mechanism is given in the question, and for called it is given known as. Known as is called. For mechanism it is given phenomenon and called language co-activation. Bilingual people engage both languages simultaneously. A mechanism known as here it is given language co-activation. Okay, let's move on to the next. Okay, more able to handle. Here it is given. Here let's look at this word. Where it was. Okay, they are talking about some task. Okay, where it was. More able to handle task. Yes, here I am here. Bilingual people are more able to handle tasks involving a skill. Are more able to handle. Here it is given. Where it was conflict management. Yes, that require. Okay, for this reason, let's read it from here. As a result, the constant juggling can perform better on task. Bilingual people often perform better on task, more able to handle task involving a skill called. It means perform better on task that require that require conflict management. Okay, let's move on to the next type of questions. We have attitudes. For attitudes, I found the word were considered to be. Some topic is given, bilingual children were considered to be. It is given like this in the paragraph. I'll show you. Attitude towards bilingualism have changed in recent year. Okay, for recent years it is given during the past years, it is given, or in the past years. Here let me show you the, okay, over the past few decades. Okay, over the past few decades is given, over the past few decades, over the past few decades it is given. In for, instead of using the word in recent years, it is given during the past few decades. Okay, for attitudes it is given like this. In the past, such children were considered which type of children? Multilingual, having grown up speaking 2 or more languages. Okay, in the past such children were considered to be at a disadvantage compared with their monolingual peers. Over the past few decades, however, technological advances have allowed researchers to look more deeply at how bilingualism interacts with and changes the cognitive. It means they were considered, attitude towards considered, it means researchers to look more deeply at how bilingualism interacts with changes. Okay, let's look at the next word. Consistently here means steady, reliable. Bilingual people consistently name images faster than monolingual people. Though I have not found the synonym of this word, I am telling you the extra word. Okay, let's look at the next type of questions and their selected words for vocabulary. Auditory. For auditory it is given hearing. Here they are talking about some hearing, hearing input, hearing something to hear in the paragraph. Okay, next word is a description of the process. Okay, for the description of the process, the writer has used the word research shows that when a bilingual person, research shows is a word used for a description of the process, Okay, next word is identify. For identify it is given recognition. Okay, next word is negative consequences. Is, it is given very clearly here. Where is the location of this? Let me show you. Negative consequences. Okay, here only. Yes, I forgot. Okay, having to deal with this persistent linguistic competition can result in difficulties. For instance, how knowing more than one language can cause speakers to name pictures. Okay, the whole incident is explaining about the problems which are facing, can result in difficulties. It is given instead of word negative consequences, reference to some negative consequences of being bilingual. Okay, bilingual here means persistent linguistic competition can result in difficulties. For instance, knowing more than one language can cause speakers to name pictures. Here till here they are explaining about negative consequences, and the word they have used is difficulties for negative consequences of being bilingual. Okay, now these were the words which I selected from the questions, and I showed their synonyms from in the reading passages. Now it's time to learn extra words. Now this reading is full of cognitive and neurological terms. Let's learn the meaning of cognitive. Multilingual, monolingual and bilingual. Monolingual is uses one language only. The person who uses only one language is multilingual. Here means now the person who is using more than two languages. It means many languages he can speak. And for bilingual, knowing more than one language. Bilingual is knowing more than one language. Okay, next word is perceptual information. Perceptual information is to interpret the information personally. Perceptual information, to interpret the information personally. Perceptual information is to interpret the information personally. Let's look at the sentence of this word. Okay, that then we can learn only the meaning when we are reading this word with the sentence. Bilingual people often excel at tasks such as this, which tap into the ability to ignore competing perceptual information and focus on the relevant aspects of the input. Okay, next word is cognitive. As I told you, it is learning. Cognitive is learning. Cognitive word is learning. Next word is adolescents. Adolescents, yes, here it is given in the paragraph. Adolescents is teenagers, youthful and youth people. This is common word used in IELTS writing essay. Okay, for fundamental is basics and essentials. Fundamental word, it is used in IELTS speaking, we can use IELTS writing, we can use, and this word in IELTS reading also. It usually comes in every third or fourth reading. I come across this word fundamental. It is important to learn and its synonyms. Okay, now, okay, I think I have left during aging. Yes, during aging is, I have left one page of the questions. What I have left? Okay, brains. Okay, yes, during aging, I think it's over. Thank you so much.